Hi, mathematicians. We are going to be working on please write each number in expanded form. So, let's get started with that because this one will be a slightly longer lesson. Let's get moving. All right. So, our handy dandy place value chart is back, and I need to make sure that you guys are front loaded and completely understand what it is that you're looking at when you're looking at expanded form. Now, if you're looking at any digit, for example, any number, if I have this number here, okay, you know that each of those numbers have a place and they also have a value. So expanded form tells us how much each digit is worth because of its place. So if you're looking at this, this 2 is sitting in the hundreds. So this is saying I have two $100 bills. I have two pieces of paper worth $100 each. Okay, so we're going to yank out our multiplication and we're going to say two groups of 100 is equal to 2 times 1 is 2. Add the 2 zeros. Okay, now we're going to look at this 0 here. That 0 is in the tens. That is saying I have no $10 bills. None. I have no pieces of paper in my pocket. So I have no groups of $10. Well, if I have nothing, I have nothing. Okay? And this 3 says I have $3 bills, 3 pieces of paper. So 3 groups of 1 equals 3. Now when you do that, when you actually have that, then you're just taking the values of each and you're actually just writing them together as an addition problem. I have two $100 bills worth 200 plus I have no $10 bills plus I have 3 $1 bills right here. Okay? Grab your whiteboards, do this with me, okay? Because it's extremely important that you understand this. All right, so let's look at it. I have the number of 4 and 8. Okay, let's work out this first problem here. Oh, actually, I'm going to do the problem that's right there. So that's going to be 61. So we're going to do 61. 61. Okay. And if you look here, then the problem says 61. So we're going to write that in expanded form. But I still need you to understand, where do I get the value for each digit? So again, I'm looking at this first digit right here, and it's telling me that I have one piece of paper in my pocket, one piece of money, $1 bill, one piece of money. So I have one group of 1. That equals 1. Plus, I have 6 $10 bills, so I have 6 groups of 10, which equals 60, because 6 times 1 is 6. Add the 0. So, my expanded form for this number is going to be, on number 5, if I click there, because it highlights, do you see that? Will be 60 plus 1. All right, let's look at number 6. Let's look at that one really quickly. Now remember, the problems that you have probably will not be the same ones that I have at all. I designed it that way so that I can show you how to work these. But I'm not going to give you the answers. I'm just telling you how to work them. All right, so now we have the number 48. So I'm going to write the 4 and the 8 here. Okay, now I have, this is saying right here, I have 8 groups of 1. 8 groups of 1. And that equals 8. Plus, I have 4 groups of 10. 4 groups of 10. And that is going to be 4 times 1 is 4 add the 0, 40. So my expanded form for number 6 is going to be 40 plus the 8. Okay, let's look at number 7, and the rest you'll do on your own because I don't think I need to keep working. I hope you understand what I'm doing. Okay, so the next one is going to be 77. You can back up this video at any point and rewatch it. So we have 70, 77. So that means I have 7 groups of 1 for 7. And I have 7 groups of 10 for 70. 7 times 1, add the 0. Is 7 plus 70 will be 77. So let's get that in there. 70 plus 7. And then I keep moving. I do number 8, 9, and 10. Questions? Let me know. If you miss any of these, you may not be able to move up to the next group. Okay? See you soon. See you on the next video. Remember, watch all the videos, because if you mess this up, you only get 2 tries. Only 2. And then you can't move up.